Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. All right, let's look at Autodesk. Here's another one. And if we check this out right here, we've kind of got our own, let me see here, sideways action here as well. So very similar here. So here we've got resistance, and here you've got support. And the stock's just kind of moving. Here's your sideways consolidation. So you can see right there, moving a little bit on sideways. So with the sideways action, it's to be expected that volume dries up during sideways action. And if you get that move to the upside, you'll want to see more volume just like that. So if you get that movement to the breakout, that should be good, because you'll see what happens with the stock is there you get little bit of sideways and then a breakout, a little bit of sideways, and then breakout a little bit higher. So that's the typical approach, typical kind of pattern that happens. And now we're getting a little sideways. So if we get a little bit of pop there, that should be good. So overall, stock is moving well and healthy, but we are in a breathing or break period for now. Wait for volume to come back. And that could be a better place, an opportunity to enter. So other than that, stock looks good, looks healthy, but you want more volume. More volume would be good. A nice breakout, good wide price spread. That's what you want to watch. All right, let's look at AEP, next one. Check this one out on the weekly. Here I want to show you, if we look at this pattern right there, here we go. Here is your support. Here is your resistance. If you look at this pattern right there, you can see this upward supporting pattern right here. So that all looks good. There's your kind of rejection. So if you're trying to play in this ranges, this is kind of creating some bearish bars and some bearish signals. So stock could be creating an A to B, possible C, and maybe, who knows, a D pattern over here. So possibly creating an ABCD pattern to the downside, but that doesn't mean you can't trade it. The trade would be more for short side or nibble on support level around B. Could be another interesting take. Or of course, watch for a breakout above C as well. So those are a couple of the points that you're looking at. It's kind of like, hey, can we get above or get down to B and bounce, or can we break above C and go past it? So those will be a couple of levels that you could get into the stock and see if it holds up. Other than that, just one to watch. I wouldn't say I'm bullish on it nor bearish, but you could play this almost a couple of different ways depending on how you see things. So, all right, let's look at here. We got another one, Costco. And Costco continues to do well. A lot of people love Costco. Here was our breaking out spot. Good wide price spread, nice bullish volume. Here you've had some other previous bullish volume. So all that looks good. You've got this consolidation pattern here. And stock is breaking on nice wide price spread and volume. So this is very good, very healthy, continues to move. And other than that, I'd say I'm bullish on the stock with nice wide price spread, good volume, and a break in a pattern that should fuel and continue to fuel the stock into higher prices. You can also see some previous movements here that we've had, had some breakouts, which looks good for the stock and continues to propel it, especially with all the shopping people are doing in bigger bulks, bigger quantities, and stocking up. This stock is continuing to do quite well. CWH, here this one is camping. It's really picking up some speed here. I do want to point attention to it. It's probably moved a little too far too fast, but the volume that you're getting is just huge. Like if you look at a sheer fact of volume over the last month or two, it just continues to pick up speed. So I'm not saying that you need to get into this one now. I would wait for a possible retracement. When this retraces, when this stock retraces and pulls back, that would be the opportunity to get into the stock. Until then, you would be chasing, and you don't want to do that. So take your time. There's a nice breakout point right here, and stock continues to do well, ramping up, looks good, bullish, but big question is, are we stretched and have we moved too far too fast? So usually pullback is in order when the stock moves this powerfully. It just depends what's going on underneath the surface. I would just always be cautious on things that are moving this quickly. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. And that way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.